Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to set up the color palettes of your Galaxy M15. To change the colors palette, like as you see it's looking right now, let's go to settings, then search for the Wallpaper and Style, and there is option color palette. Yep, there is blue, white and dark like black. So let's try to color palette, and you can choose whatever palette of colors which you like. Let's try with this color palette. And remember to see how is the wallpaper look. Yep, and wallpaper and many much more things here. Yep, and as you see we have our new color palette of our Samsung M15. Of course you can choose other color palette, whatever you like. It's many more, and there is a basic colors for your own preference. So that's it about the color palette. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.